Welcome back to the Projectile Motion Series on Rise Up Learning. Episodes 1 and 2 are in the description if you need to catch up. Today in episode 3, we're stepping things up to A-level. We're solving angled projection questions where the object is launched at an angle, not just horizontally. These questions carry big marks, and today I'll show you exactly how to crack them. Grab your calculator, let's go. The number one skill for A-level projectile motion is resolving the initial velocity into components. When a ball is launched at angle theta with speed u, horizontal component ux chapter u costs, vertical component ug sacre u synth. Let's apply this immediately. Question. A ball is kicked at 20 planetas at 30 degrees above horizontal. Find the components. X acrodynic 20 is 20x, cost for 30 degree, right 20x, 0 quite xd6. 17.3 mystery x on 20 y 1030 the dormia under 20x versus 0.5 and in 10 always resolve components first before doing anything else. Again, this is the golden rule. Now let's find everything using the same question. Maximum height at maximum height, vertical velocity at 0. Using V2, what's the U2 at 2 kachi? As no 102, 2 8 to 10 to x h 20 h 100 h or 5 meters. Time to reach maximum height using V over the beach, Chibidi 0 Cyber 10 t r 1 second. Total time of flight t already for 2 x 1 Cyber 2 seconds. So remember, total flight time is always double the time to maximum height. Horizontal range r drpux x t q 17 team 3 x 2 progress 34.6 meters. A-level exam tips: always resolve components first at maximum height. Vertical velocity 0. Always. Total flight time, sure 2x time to maximum height. Keep 3 significant figures throughout. Maximum range always occurs at 45 degrees. Episode 3, A-level recap, always resolve ux and u cost and iag u synth. Maximum height, set vertical velocity to 0. Total flight time, 2x time to max height. Range, uxx total time, maximum range angle, always. Use JUA 9.8 MES2 for A-level unless told otherwise. Episode 4 is Cambridge exam style, the most challenging level. Subscribe now so you're ready. If episode 3 helped you level up your A-level physics, smash that thumbs up and share with your study group. Subscribe and tap the bell for episode 4. Cambridge level is coming. Drop questions in the comments below. I personally reply to everyone. Keep learning, keep rising. This is Rise Up Learning.